Well, it's almost 2 o'clock in the morning. I sanded down the first layer I had on there, and I taped off all across the top of the cowl across there and wiped some more down in the cracks where the welds was. Took a wire brush on my angle grinder and got down in there and got all the welding soot out of it. Make sure it was nice and clean. And then I took a little roll-lock disc with some 80 grit flapper disc on there and went all across the surface, right across there where you see the green filler at. And wiped it all in there, packed it in, and then took my finger and pushed it down tight while it was wet. Had rubber gloves on. Wiped it down tight in the corner there. And then while it was still soft, I took a razor blade and trimmed off any high spots that were sticking up here and there. And, one thing, when I first seen it on this car, I thought maybe it was because it was wrecked. There was humps right here on both sides, and then it was kind of bubbled up there from the lead stuff, which I found out later it's because there was rust under the lead. But the 75 parts car out there, it has humps here also, so I just assume that that's flaws from the factory. But so what I did, I just went ahead and I filled this in a little thick here, and I'm just going to sand it all down and get it smooth. That way it just has a smooth transition in there, and it doesn't have that hump right there where they had it. It's either there or right about there. But anyway, by the time I get that sanded down, that fiberglass filler there won't be more than 1/8 of an inch thick. I've got it grouped up on there pretty thick now, just so I'd have enough to sand it down and get it right. But I'll sand just where I start seeing the metal peeking through here and down here, because it was high there and there. That'll tell me then I'll just have a little bit of dip in the middle. But I'm going to call it quits for tonight. I don't know if I already said it or not, but it's about 2 o'clock in the morning. I've been out here about 10 or 12 hours. But for the most part, I've got it wiped pretty smooth everywhere. There's some places where I didn't get it real smooth. But this had all kinds of ripples and imperfections in it from the factory anyway, where it's stamped in the metal. So that in there, I'm just going to take a DA with 80 grit, buzz across it, knock the best part of it, all the high spots down, and go back over it to 180. All this up here I'll block it out. I'll start with 36 and then go to 80 grit and then 180. Check for pinholes and mix up some regular body filler if I have to, and wipe back over the top of it to cover any pinholes. The rest of that, I'll strip the metal off, look for any, strip the paint off down to the bare metal there. See if I can find any dings. There's a place right out in the middle of the vent there where one of the vents are pushed down. I wished I could get something underneath there and push up on it. These, I don't have any paintless dent removal tools. If I did, that would probably work good. I could go in that hole there, or possibly where the windshield wiper arms go through. I might be able to get something in through that hole right there and push up on that, because, see if I can zoom in here. Right about there, that little vent is pushed down a little bit. It's just that one. If I can't get it pushed up, there ain't really much I can do, because you can't bondo it. It'll just look thick and look all funny. So anyway, that's the last update for the night. I'm going to get this uploaded and then take a bath and chill out for a while. Have a good night. Thanks for watching. As always, like the video, subscribe to the channel, and click the little bell to get all the updates. Thanks.